Oh my God, look how nicely it's cooking down. Cooking down very good. And guess what? Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Rinty's Plate. Yes, I'm here again, and I just want to give you a big thumbs up for helping me this far. All my subscribers, I want to thank you very much, and my viewer. With me today, I am going to cook cow foot. Wow. It's a long time my husband telling me to cook cow foot. I already see my cow foot over here. I already wash it. And you have to wash your cow foot very good because it's raw. I use vinegar, lemon, and I put a little salt to wash it. And all here is my ingredients that I'm putting here on my cow foot. Over here is my dry ingredients, and also my soy sauce, my browning, and my butter bean to add to my cow foot. I am going to pressure it because let me tell you, cow foot is well tough. Okay, so I'm going to stir it on the fire first, get the color and everything nice, and I'm going to pressure it. So stay tuned. I'm going to put the season on it now. This is a Maggi season, and black pepper, pimento, and salt. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I am going to put it on my stuff here, and I'm also going to put my onion and my garlic. Okay, just a little teaspoon of each. And over here is my whole bay, Mr. Dash, and a Jamaican season I have here. I'm just gonna add it to it, marinate it for like a 20 minutes. Maggi season. Okay. Okay, this is my browning. I'm not gonna put in too much browning because you know, when you put a lot of these things, it's so black, and I don't want it to black. Yes. And I'm gonna put a teaspoon of this one. Okay. Okay, let me rub off this here. Let me rub it up with my hand. My hands are clean. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, you have to put cheese on this in the car. The cow foot is white. Alright, I'm gonna put it to marinate for like around 20 minutes. Okay? You can season up from overnight, you know, and let the season get in. But this is looking good, right? All right, I will be right back. Okay, my pot is on the fire. I'm going to just stir it a little bit in the pot before I put it in the pressure cooker. A little oil I have to my pot, and this is coconut oil. You can use any oil you prefer. Oh, and I should let you know, guys, that is a 3 pound cow foot. 3 pounds. Okay? I am not going to put my cheese into my pot yet. When it comes from the pressure cooker, then I put everything into it, okay? Okay, guys. I think it's ready to go in the pressure cooker, so I'm going to put it in my pressure cooker. I will be coming right back to this pot. All my goods is stick at the back there. So, I'm coming back. Okay, gonna throw some water right in the pot. Oh, okay. Let me see. I want the water to cover it. That's good. Alright, I think this is good. Let me put some garlic. Let me cook down with some garlic. I'm not gonna put my pepper in my pot yet. I'm just gonna put some garlic. Yes. Alright. I'm going to cover my pressure cooker. Okay, so my cow foot is in my pressure cooker. I'm gonna start there. And start, okay, just for 30 minutes, and then I will test it. Okay, I'm just gonna check the pressure cooker. It's almost finished. Oh yes. Let me check it. It's pressuring, so it's supposed to done. See? Oh yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain off some of the water, and then I put the remainder of my season in the pot with my butter bean. Okay, and a piece of butter, because I'm going to strain off this water. This here, see it? Really fatty. Okay, and my pot that I have on the stove, I'm gonna remove in here. Wow, all the bone coming off. And remember, I have this season here. I'm gonna throw it on it. Yes, all the season there. My season over here, my carrot, my ginger, my thyme, my garlic, my sweet green pepper, and this one is a red one. And I'm gonna put in my pepper now. My Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm gonna put 2 in 1. My onion over here, I like to cook with a lot of onion. And my tomato over here. Okay. I'm gonna give this a stir. Oh my gosh. And then, okay, this is my butter bean. I'm gonna get some butter. I took away the juice that it boiled with, so I have to put a little bit of butter. Okay. And I'm gonna add some ketchup. Yes, just a little. That's it. And I'm gonna keep a little bit more browning on it. Okay, not much. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna make it simmer down for 15 minutes. Wow, wow. Wow, yes. Give it another 15 minutes, let the season cook. It's looking good. It's looking good. And it smells good. I don't want the pepper to burst. Okay? So I'm gonna give this a little more time. Simmer down with the season. I will be right back. Okay? Stay. Oh my God, look how nicely it's cooking down. Cooking down very good. And guess what? I have some caramel dumpling over here. I'm gonna have it with my cow foot. Alright? Alright, let me give it around 5-10 more minutes, okay? Guys, this is the finishing touch of my bronze cow foot. Looking good, smell good, and I know it tastes good. Okay? Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay? Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for everything. May God continue to bless and to keep us. Okay? Bye bye. Bye from now. See you next time.